Hello all. So welcome to our YouTube channel. We we started trading Bank Nifty using ICT concepts. When I say we, इसका मतलब मैं और मेरा भाई ICT concepts को फॉलो करके बैंक निफ्टी में ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं और ये रिसेंटली हम लोग ने स्टार्ट किया है. So I will quickly walk through last 1 week trading which we are following. हम लोग सेट ऑफ रूल्स डिफाइन किए हैं. उन रूल्स को फॉलो करके 1 मिनट चार्ट्स पे बैंक निफ्टी में स्टार्टिंग के 1 या 2 घंटे ही ट्रेड करते हैं और 10:30 से अराउंड 11 तक मैक्सिमम वी ट्रेड और आफ्टर दैट वी क्लोज आवर सिस्टम. सो सुबह 9:15 से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड वी फॉलो द ट्रेड्स, वी फॉलो द चार्ट्स एंड वेन एवर we get to know any trades using our rules concepts, then only we take a trade, and maximum 2 or sometimes 3 trades, not more than 3, but our all trades should be closed before 11. So before going into the concepts, I'll quickly give you a high level overview like last एक वीक का क्या रिजल्ट रहा है. और वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि हम लोग एक यूट्यूब चैनल के थ्रू अपनी जर्नी को भी शेयर करेंगे और it will help us also, like down the line we can also go through these videos just for our learning purpose, also as a journal we can say, and it can help other youtube other traders as well. Those are looking for some inputs, knowledge, learning using this ICT concepts and trading in Indian market like Bank Nifty. So I am using currently Angel One account for trading the Bank Nifty. I have a separate accounts for equity and all, but this channel is purely dedicating for this Bank Nifty option trading. ओके सो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे होंगे कि लास्ट एक वीक में we took around 1 or 2 trades every day. Total profits around 18,200. By the way, we are trading with 2 lots and 3 if it's near expiry. Like the purpose is we we invest, like we started our account with around 90,000, 80 to 90,000, and then usually we take 2 lots and we'll continue with this for some time. Then we'll slowly increase the lot size as per our results. Based on that output only, like we'll decide. We'll add one by one, like from 2 to 3, then 3 to 4. Likewise we'll add our lot size in future. जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे होंगे 14 जुलाई मंडे को we had profit around 5,400. So daily wise we can see here as well, like number of trades. On Monday 14th we took 1 trade only. On Tuesday 15th we took 2 trades, and likewise 16th 1 trade, 17th 1 trade, on 18th we took 5 trades, but these are like the same strike price, or like there were basically 3 trades, but we added more lots, 2 to 3 lots in the same strike price. So ये एक वीक का रिजल्ट है. we are not concluding anything based on this. We are just sharing our 1 week result and we'll continue with this process. These are the like एंजल वन insights of the last 1 week trading. जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे होगे हम लोगों की जो ट्रेडिंग है वो मोस्टली एक दो या तीन ट्रेड्स ही एवरेज दो ट्रेड्स या वन ट्रेड्स ही रहती है, और उसमें भी होल्डिंग पीरियड्स भी आप देख पा रहे होगे तो 10 to 15 मिनट्स ही रहता है मोस्टली, उससे ज़्यादा होल्डिंग पीरियड भी नहीं रहता है। मैं आपको दिखाऊं अगर होल्डिंग पीरियड टाइम, सो ये 5 to 15 मिनट्स में 7 ट्रेड्स हैं, 15 to 30 मिनट्स में 2 ट्रेड्स हैं, और लेस देन 5 मिनट्स में 1 ट्रेड है। और ये बेस्ड ऑन द होल्डिंग पीरियड ये प्रॉफिट डिटेल्स भी शो हो रही है। और इंडेक्स वी आर ओनली ट्रेडिंग इन बैंक निफ्टी बिकॉज फ्रॉम आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बैंक निफ्टी फॉलोज more precisely ICT concept compared to Nifty, and it is like better to survive here as compared to Nifty and all. Like if once we are expert master this one script, I think then later we can try with other script, but at least for 1 year we'll focus on bank nifty only. We'll not go with other script like nifty or sensex or anything else. We'll use, we are using nifty just for the direction purpose, but for trading we are using only trading bank nifty, nothing else. Ho 100% focus on one instrument bank nifty, that's it. So ये 1 week का रिजल्ट है। मैं हर एक दिन का एक सेपरेट वीडियो बना सकता हूँ, वो ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा अगर मैं हर एक दिन का एंट्री एग्जिट स्ट्रेटजी पॉइंट्स वो सब डिटेल में बताने जाऊँगा, तो इसलिए ये फर्स्ट वीडियो एक जस्ट हाई लेवल ओवरव्यू देने के लिए कि वी आर ट्रेडिंग बैंक निफ्टी वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन 1 minute टाइम फ्रेम. We are using fair value gap, order block, first fair value gap, New York opening gap, range, fib levels, Monday first fair value gap. Like there are few other concepts, but we'll get to know more about these later on once we go through these other videos, and we'll keep uploading, we'll keep creating these new videos, and we'll upload also. That will help us and you guys also. So this is just a summary, like what we are doing, what we are trying to achieve. So the plan is to continue this bank nifty trading for at least 1 year, and will slowly increase, maybe monthly. If the result is good, then maybe every month will increase one lot size, or once we get for example at least 30 days for 2 lots, or there should be minimum 50,000 profit or 75,000 profit, then only will increase the lot size, otherwise we'll continue with the same 2 lot size on average. So that is the plan. So we'll see more about all these details in other videos. So as of now, that's it from my side. Thank you.